Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are talking about how to build back that trust in your relationship. Okay, if you have messed up and your partner is now finding it difficult to trust you, and you're like, how do I build back that trust? Okay, there are things you can do to build back the trust. Okay, to help your partner start trusting you again. Let's say you messed up, okay, and because of that there is no good trust in your relationship again. The first thing you should be doing is to be transparent. Okay, that is showing your partner exactly how you're feeling inside you. Okay, the way you are feeling at the moment, like you are being sorry, or the way things what exactly happened. They will want to know, your partner will want to know exactly what happened and how you are feeling, like where you are, because that's another thing that will help your partner to start trusting you again. Okay, let your partner know that you are actually sorry about that. Okay, and also be plain, to be transparent and open up things, okay, the way it happened. Okay, this will help your partner start trusting you again. And the second thing you should do is communication. Okay, yes, that's another key to actually restore that particular trust. Now when you actually messed up, it's going to take time for the partner to start trusting you again. Okay, so the thing you need to do is to be able to communicate well with your partner. Try to be telling your partner that, like, from time to time you reassure your partner that, you see, this kind of thing that happened will not happen again, or you keep on reassuring him or her that you are not going to go back to this kind of mistake again. Okay, you're not ready to go back to this kind of mistake again. Okay, when you are telling your partner things like this, at least once in a while, it will actually help your partner to be sure that you are off that particular level, that you are not ready to go back to that again. Because what you are saying means a lot. It means a lot, because so many times you might have actually, you are not ready, like you are ready to actually give up all those things. You're not going back to that mistakes again, but your partner is thinking that you are back, like you are still in that particular area. Okay, you're still doing that particular thing again. While they are feeling that way is because they are thinking in their mind that you are definitely going back to that. So when you are reassuring her in your words, okay, affirming her that things like this will never happen again, okay, this is a way you are giving her room to start trusting you again. Now your attitude should also be another thing that should be, you should, now your attitude is another thing that you should be serious about. Make sure that your attitude is not telling her that you're going back to that mistake again, and this should be something serious. Okay, so you are telling her through your attitude that you're not going back to that again. The way you actually value your partner, and the way you treat your partner, and the way you respect your partner, and the way you behave, whether the partner is there or not. This way they will be sure, your partner will be sure that definitely you're not going back to that particular thing again. Okay, and let me tell you guys, when you are having issues with trusting your partner, there are things you should understand. Okay, you should understand that it's going to take time for that partner that actually doesn't trust you again to start trusting you again. You should also understand that it will take time for the partner to be sure. Okay, so give it time. The both of you should be patient with each other, so that with time everything will heal. Okay, everything will heal, and you people should go back to your normal self again, the normal relationship the way it used to be. Now let me tell you guys, if your partner, after doing all these things and you are sure of what you're doing, you're not going back to that particular thing again, and your partner is still not ready to trust you after a long time, that you're giving her room or time to, like, wait for the partner to start trusting you again, but the partner is not yet there, please move on. It might be that there's no hope again. It might be you have lost that particular one. It might be you need to move on. Okay, so in a relationship where you have done all these practical things, you have actually stopped those mistakes, you're not doing it again, whether it's secretly, because even if you're doing those things secretly, that particular thing that made the partner to start, like, to lose trust in you, you're still doing it secretly, or maybe in any way, the partner will know. Your partner will definitely find out in your attitude, in the way you behave and all that. They will find out. Okay, they will definitely find out. So you have to be sure that you have left all those things behind, and you have done all those things. The partner is still in that particular state of not trusting you for any reason, then you have to move on. Okay, because it might be that that particular that particular relationship is not for you again. So move on, okay? So look for a better one, and when you get one, do a better, okay? So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell. Let me know what you think about this particular topic. Do you have any particular video idea you want me to like feature on? Let me know. Let's talk about it, okay, in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Bye.